welcome you to our YouTube channel PNJ Legal. We are 12-year-old law firm. On this YouTube channel, we are bringing lot of the complex legal topics to you. We are also presenting lot of business opportunities for the entrepreneurs to get ventured into.
This is an introductory slide. This slide was the topic of the presentation. This slide is about alternative investment, and alternative investment is a financial asset that does not fall into one of the conventional asset investment categories. Conventional categories include stocks, bonds, and cash. Most alternative investment assets are held by institutional investors or accredited high net worth individuals because of their complex nature, lack of regulation, and degree of risk. Alternative investments include private equity or venture capital, hedge funds, managed future, art and antiques, commodities, and derivatives contracts. Real estate is also often classified as an alternative investment. This slide is about the alternative investment fund. Alternative investment fund comprises pooled investment funds that invest in venture capital, private equity, hedge funds, managed future, etc. In simpler terms, an AIF refers to an investment which differs from conventional investment avenues such as stocks, debt securities, etc. Generally, high net worth individuals and institutions invest in alternative investment funds as it requires a high investment amount, unlike mutual funds. This slide is about the step registration of the alternative investment fund. Step 1. The applicant for grant of registration as an alternative investment fund under SEBI Alternative Investment Funds Regulations 2012 should make an application to SEBI in Form A as provided in the regulations along with all the necessary documents. Step 2. Generally, on receipt of application, the applicant will receive a reply from SEBI within 21 working days. The time is taken for registration. However, it depends on how fast the requirements are compiled by the applicant. This slide is a continuation of the slide 3. Step 3. The applicant is advised to go through the SEBI Alternative Investment Fund Regulations 2012 for checking the eligibility criteria and such other details which may help expedite the registration process. Step 4. The applicant must mention in the covering letter as to whether A. It is registered with SEBI as a venture capital fund. If yes, provide details. B. It has been undertaking the activities of an AIF prior to such an application. If yes, provide details. And C. It is applying for registration of a new fund. This slide is a continuation of this slide 5. Step 5. As an integral part of the registration process, the applicant will submit the following: A. Form A appropriately filled, numbered, duly signed and stamped. B. Application fees of ₹1 lakh by way of bank draft in favor of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, payable at Mumbai. Step 6. The applicant shall also make an online application in terms of guidelines as prescribed by SEBI from time to time. This slide is about the types of alternative investment funds. AIFs are classified into 3 broad categories. Category first, funds that invest in startups, small and medium enterprises, and new businesses that have high growth potential and are considered socially and economically viable. A part of this category, these funds have been a lifeline to already thriving startups starving for capital. Category second, funds investing in various securities and debt securities come under this category, or those funds that are not described under category first and third by SEBI fall under category second. No incentive or concession is given by the government on investment in these funds. Category third, funds that aim at short-term returns fall under this category. They employ various complex and diverse trading strategies to achieve their goal for short-term capital appreciation. There is no specific incentive or concession given by the government on investment on these funds as well. This slide is about venture capital fund. Venture capital funds invest in startups which have high growth potential but facing investment crunch in the initial phase and need funding to establish or expand their business. Since it is difficult for new business and entrepreneurs to raise funding through the capital market, venture capital funds become the most sought after solution for their financing needs. VCFS pool in money from investors who want to make equity investments in ventures. They invest in multiple startups depending on their business profile, asset size, and phase of product development. Unlike mutual funds or hedge funds, venture capital funds focus on early stage investment. This slide is about infrastructure fund. The fund invests in the development of public assets such as road and rail infrastructure, airports, communication assets, etc. Investors who are bullish on the infra development in the coming times can invest in the fund since the infrastructure sector has a high barrier to entry and relatively low competition. Returns from investing in infrastructure fund can be a combination of capital growth and dividend income. When an infrastructure fund invests in socially desirable viable projects, the government may also extend tax benefits on such investments. This slide deals with angel fund. This slide is a type of venture capital fund where fund managers pool money from numerous angel investors and invest in budding startups for their development. As and when the new business become lucrative, investors get the dividends. In the case of angel fund, units are issued to the angel investors. An angel investor refers to an individual who wants to invest in an angel fund and brings in business management experience, thus guiding the startup in the right direction. This slide is about the Social Venture Fund. Socially responsible investing has led to the emergence of Social Venture Fund (SVF) that typically invest in companies that have a strong social conscience and aim to bring a real change in the society. These companies focus on making profit and solve environmental as well as social issues simultaneously. Even though it is a kind of philanthropic investment, one can still accept returns because the firm would still make profit. This slide is about the private equity fund. PE funds basically invest in unlisted private companies and take a share of their ownership. Since unlisted private companies cannot tap capital through the issuance of equity or debt instrument, they look out for PE funds. Further, these companies present their investor or diversified portfolio of equities which essentially lowers the risk of the investors. A PE fund typically has a fixed investment horizon ranging from 4 to 7 years. After 7 years, the firm expects that it would be able to exit the investment with a good amount of profit. This slide is about the debt fund. This fund primarily invests in debt instruments of listed as well as unlisted companies. Companies that have low credit scores generally release high-yield debt securities to companies with high risk. So companies with high growth potential, good corporate practices, but facing capital crunch can be a good investment option for debt fund investors. As per the SEBI regulations, the amount invested in debt fund cannot be utilized for the purpose of giving loans, as the alternative investment fund is a privately held investment vehicle. This slide is about the fund of funds. As the name suggests, this fund is a combination of various alternative investment funds. This investment strategy of the fund is to invest in a portfolio of other AIFs rather than making its own portfolio or deciding what specific sector to invest in. This slide is about the hedge fund. A hedge fund pools capital from institutional and accredited investors and invests in domestic as well as international markets to generate high returns. However, they are expensive relative to other financial investment instruments. Hedge funds generally charge 2% as the asset management fee and take up 20% of the profits earned as a fee. This slide is about the private investment in public equity fund. It is a privately managed pool of privately sourced funds earmarked for public equity investments. Private investment in public equity refers to buying shares of publicly traded stock at a discounted price. This enables the investor to purchase a stake in the company, while the company selling the stake receives capital infusion to grow its business. Thank you.